Hello, boys and girls. So this week we've been going over our middle vowel sounds, which are our medial sounds that we hear. So remember I said that we have 5 vowels. We have short vowels and we have long vowels, but we're focusing on our short vowels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up our card and we're going to review those vowels. This is A. What sound does it make? Eh. This is E. What sound does it make? Eh. This is I. What sound does it make? I. This is O. What sound does it make? Ah. And this is U. What sound does U make? Okay. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to play a sensory game. What I want you to do, I'm going to show you first. And at home, you have to ask your mommy and daddy, make sure you tell them to come here. Say, come here so you can watch this video and see what Miss Collier want us to do today, okay? So you have to go get them when you finish and let them watch it with you, okay? Okay, so we're going to play a sensory writing game. And I'm going to show a picture and you're going to have to write the middle vowel sound that you hear in that picture, okay? Are y'all ready? Okay, so I have some sand inside of a container. You can use sand or you can use flour, sugar, or anything and put it inside of a plate or a container. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a picture. This is a picture of a what? It's a cat. Very good. It's a cat. And now what we're going to do is we're going to write the middle vowel sound we hear in cat. Okay, so what middle vowel sound do we hear in this picture? Cat. So I'm going to write an A in the sand because it makes the sound. Okay, now shake it up. What is this? It represents the word red. What middle vowel sound do you hear in red? Ed. So what letter are we going to write? We're going to write the letter E. Very, very good, okay? What's that? Pig. What middle vowel sound do we hear in pig? P-ig. P-e. E. So you would write the I in the sand or sugar or flour, okay? What is this? Mop. What middle vowel sound do you hear in mop? Op. Ah. So we're going to write an O. Good job. Okay, what is that? Sun. What middle vowel sound do you hear in sun? Sun. So what letter are we going to write? A, U. Okay? All right, boys and girls. So now what I want you to do is I want you to tell your mom to show you some pictures of CVC words, or they can call out a word if you don't have the pictures and just write it in your sand or your flour or your sugar, okay? All right, I want you to take pictures of it and show Miss Collier. Bye-bye.